Alrighty guys, y'all remember the Liberty that I was working on? She called me out. She got a weird noise under the hood. Now you can hear it sometime and sometime you can't. Well, like I told y'all, cousin Pookie, you see that brand new water pump down there? Yeah, well she's saying that she still has a noise. I don't think she still has a noise. I think she has an additional noise. So I'm not gonna really dog out cousin Pookie on this one. However, ta-da, y'all see this? Mopar baby. The noise is coming from that pulley, guys. If you watch that video, I took this pulley right here off and spent it manually. It goes, yeah, it happens from time to time. Her thing is, she want to know why I charge $100 to come check your car out. I don't care what it is or what the problem is. If I get the name, year, make, and model of your car, and I deem I can diagnose it successfully, it's $100. Okay. All right. Now I come out here to put it on. That's another $100. Now it's not like I don't operate like dealers. They'll waive the $100. No, I can't operate like that because I can charge low because I don't have a huge overhead. I'm basically mobile. I'm a DIY at this point. Yeah, you're not in a shop, so you're gonna be out a couple $100 as opposed to, you know, a huge shop gonna charge you $250 to check it out and another 3 hour labor probably. All right, because they may lie to you and tell you it's something else just to sell your parts. I'm not in the parts selling business. All right, I'm only gonna sell you what you need because I don't want to do a lot of parts on the ground, in the yard, things like that. Yeah, I want to put on the bare minimum. So I go that extra mile to find out what your problem is. I literally had to take this pulley off and spin it. That's how I knew that's what a noise is. So now I'm here to put it on. Yeah, I know it's tacky to give out prices like that, but yeah, whatever. All right, so let me get this thing replaced and yeah, and she even got a new belt, Mopar belt, Mopar pulley. This is gonna last the remaining life of this car. It ain't got much left, but it's gonna last the remaining life. Let me get this off, guys. I got work to do. Wow, you hear that? Yeah, they keep up all that noise. Yeah. In fact, I'm gonna keep that and show it to her. All right, it doesn't matter because then we got a new one, baby. All right, guys, I'm gonna put this on the same way I took the old one off. I'm gonna put the belt on, and I guess next time you see me, it'll be running. You're gonna hear it's gonna be quiet as hell. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, and ta-da! There you go. Now, guys, for some reason, I don't know what, I know why, I got the wrong freaking belt. You know how hard it is fighting with the wrong size belt or a shorter belt? You thinking you crazy and you know you got it on right. You got to go recheck this and recheck that just to find out the belt you're trying to put on, the new belt you're trying to put on, is too freaking small. Oh my goodness, you're talking about frustrating. Guess what? The old belt back on there. She have to deal with them on that later. I'm done. My work here is done. The vehicle is quiet. That's what my job entails. All right, brand new tensioner with brand new pulleys. Cousin Pookie put a brand new water pump on it, I guess. I don't know. But it's quiet. That's all that matters. I gotta go. Thanks for watching.